Hello guys, this is Dr. Vinayak Jyoti from Healing Hands Advanced Physiotherapy Clinic. And today I have come up with a video with a lot of you have asked for. Sciatic pain management. Sciatic pain is something that starts from lower back and goes from the buttocks, thighs and sometimes to the legs and feet also. This pain can be very bothering sometimes. It is like very excruciating and it is really important to manage it. Yes, you can manage with all these exercises that I'm going to explain and I'm going to show it to you. So follow it properly. Watch this video till end and follow all those exercises properly and let us know in the comments below how you feel after that. So let's get started. The first exercise is nerve flossing. For this, you just lie down on the floor, on yoga mat or on the bed and then straighten one leg, unaffected leg, and then the affected leg, you just hold it at 90 degrees, and then slowly you lift it as much as possible. So you should start feeling a little bit of tingling sensation or a little bit of pain, little stretch on this area. Maintain that and then you pull your toes towards you, relax. Pull your toes towards you, relax. 2 or 3 times and then relax the leg. Do it for the other leg as well and check how much do you feel. Are you feeling the same or not? Just a couple of times slowly and then relax. Repeat this for about 10 times. So the next exercise is spinal twists. For that you lie down on the same position. Now we are slowly going to turn the legs towards one side, making sure your shoulder remain down at all the times. To increase the stretch, just with the other hand, you just push it a little bit. Hold the stretch for about 5 to 10 seconds and then do it on the other side. Slowly and gradually do it for about 10 times on each side. So the next exercise is Piriformis stretch. I'm going to tell you the 2 versions of Piriformis stretch. One is basic and one is advanced. So basic one is the first one, advanced one to the next one. So depending on how much pain you have, if you have too much pain, you do the basic version first and then slowly progress to advanced version. So the basic version is you just keep the leg like this, one on top of the other. So I'll show you to this side first. You put it like this and then hold the shin bone of the other leg. You're going to just pull it towards you as much as possible. When you're doing it, you should be feeling a little stretched on your glutes, this part. There should be no pain on the hip. There should be only pain on the stretch on the glute area. So once you start feeling the stretch, hold this stretch for about 10 to 15 seconds. Do it slowly and then repeat it on the other side. So do it for about 3 to 5 times on each side and you'll start feeling the difference. So this is level 2 of Piriformis stretch. This is also called as Pigeon stretch. So in this, we're just going to, if you're sitting like this, just take your hand, put it on one feet, other hand will be on the side. This leg will go back as much as possible. So you're just going to hold it like this and then try to go down as much as possible. So once you've gone down, you should start feeling the stretch again at the same area, Piriformis area. In case you're not feeling the stretch as much, you can further bend down. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds and repeat it for 3 to 5 times on each side. So the next exercise is the quadriceps stretch. Usually what happens is while sitting and all, your hip flexor muscles gets tight. So these also can impact your lower back and that can lead to your sciatic pain. So it is very important to release these as well, the hip flexors or quadriceps stretch. So just for the hip flexor, we're just going to go forward and we're going to get a little hip flexor stretch. A little stretch should be good enough. And then relax. To include the quadriceps muscle, we're going to go in the same position and pull the leg a little more towards you. I'm keeping a pillow here to protect the knees. In case you're doing it on the yoga mat or on the soft bed, this is not required. Do this stretch for about 10 to 15 seconds and repeat it again for about 3 to 5 times. So the next stretch is hamstring stretch. Hamstring are the muscles at the back of your thighs. So we're going to stretch that. Just bend one leg, make sure your other leg is straight and then you keep your back straight. This is very important. A lot of people just do it like that, which is not right. You have to keep your back very much straight and then bend as much as possible towards the toes. If you cannot touch it, it's fine. You can just hold your shin bone. But for those who can touch it and bend as much as possible. So in this case, you'll be stretching your hamstring as well as your calf a little bit. So do it for both the sides, one by one. Don't do it together. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds and again 3 to 5 times repeat. So this next exercise is called prone SLRs or prone straight leg raisings. So in that you just lie down comfortably on a yoga mat or on the floor or on the bed or wherever you like. And then this is very important to make sure that you don't lift too much, not like this. Very important to keep your hip stable. You should not lift your hip while you are lifting the leg. So keeping the hip stable, you just lift your leg a little bit. You have to lift your knee, but you don't have to lift your hip. Just hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds and repeat it for 10 times on both the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. Next exercise is glute bridge. Usually the glute bridge is done wrongly. So people, what they do is they just arch their lower back like this, which is not right. First we are going to work on the glutes like this, and then lifting it up, squeezing the glutes as much as possible. Make sure your leg is not too close to each other or not too far. It should be like at a hip width apart. Then we're going to just first work on the pelvic movement. Just lift it up like that. Make sure you are engaging your glutes muscle and then slowly working towards it. Lift it. You will feel squeeze air. There should not be any arching on the lower back. It should not be like this. It should be like this. When you do that, you will feel your glute muscle contracting, and this is a very nice feeling. These glute muscles will help you to support your lower back, and ultimately the lower back will get supported. The strain on the lower back reduces, and your sciatic pain will also come down. So the next exercise is core presses or core bracing, as we also say. So what you need to do is you need to just keep your one hand down on that the curve area of the lumbar spine, and then you're going to put some pressure on that area, on the hand. So you should be able to feel the pressure on the hand while you're pressing it, but you should make sure keep breathing normally. You should not hold the breath in this exercise. Like while I'm doing it, I'm also able to talk to you, right? And then relax. Are you able to see the difference? The movement is very mild, but this is where you will feel it. So this is very important to engage your core muscles again. Your core muscles are like a belt for the whole lower back, and when you wear a belt, how you feel comfortable. When you engage your core muscles, again you'll feel very much comfortable on your lower back. Lower back muscles will relax, and then your sciatic pain is going to reduce. So this exercise, again, you're going to do it for about 5 to 10 seconds of hold, and repeat it for 5 to 10 times depending on your capability. Initially you will be doing it a little less, but slowly you'll be able to progress it. So all these exercises, you should do it very carefully. All these things that I have told you, keep it in mind. Watch this video again and again so that you get those points right, because those are very, very important. It's very important to do it right, not just how many times you do it, but how you do it. It's very, very important. So hope you like this video, and if you continue doing this for about a couple of days, do it once or twice a day. Twice a day is actually recommended, and in no time you will see your sciatic pain is gone. So hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do it properly so that my purpose of making this video is fulfilled. And if you have done these exercises and are facing any issues, or if you have done these exercises and got relief, please make sure you write that in comment section below so that other people can get inspired. And share this video to your friends and family who might be suffering from sciatic pain. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.